Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Mate 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first of all, just go to settings and here find the home screen and wallpaper. Right there you will see the wallpapers, touch on that, tap to allow and tap to more wallpapers. Yes, I agree. And now you can choose one from this wallpaper. For example, I will go in with this one. Now tap to allow, and we want to change the lock screen wallpaper, so tap here and wait a few seconds. Now we will check. So as can you see, our home lock screen wallpaper has changed successfully. That's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.